Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, this video is very important. Please watch till the end. TCS free NQT admit card scam, I will say, because many of the students did not receive any email from TCS that you can download your admit card. They did not have anything on the next step portal, and when they tried to log in using the link which is given here, so TCS Nqt All India Batch 2025 admit card download, and there they are able to see their exam is tomorrow, their exam is today. Like this admit card has been released. Friends, one thing which I would like to tell you, okay, see, I always raise my voice for whatever wrong has happened with the student, but I have never got support from the student. That is fine, but I will be keep doing my job. So please do like the video and share so that it should reach to the maximum people, because many of them has missed the exam. You see these comments and then you will try to understand. Sir, I applied for TCS Nqt on 5th of March. I do not have received any official email regarding admit card from TCS. I found a TCS link from YouTube where I can check about my admit card generated or not. When I checked there, I got my admit card from that link. In that admit card, it is showing I have exam tomorrow. How the student will be prepared and they will be able to, so basically it is 20th of March, so by mistake it has written 4. So how these students will be able to go and write the exam? Sir, I did not receive any mail from TCS, but when me and my friend checked through the admit card link, okay, yesterday, it is showing our admit card 2 for 20 March TCS examination. Now I don't have any mail till now, but I have my admit card with me. I don't know what to do. So I said, please go and write the examination, because if you see the admit card, they have given all the details here. So admit card Nqt All India Batch 2025. So the place has been given, the timing has been given. So this is the correct or genuine admit card released by TCS. But TCS has again failed here. See how a student, somebody cannot keep checking the link every time. But now what you have to do, friends, so whenever any next date is released, okay, whenever any next date is released, go to this particular link and check if your admit card is available, download and write the examination. But my question is again, those who have missed it or those who are going to miss it, what is for them? So they are preparing very hard from long time. See, they have bought certain courses, my courses or someone else courses. They are working very hard, and now when these things comes in picture, they are totally confused. Many of them has received this admit card in their spam folder. Arey bhaiya, chal kya raha hai bhai? TCS mail is also going to a spam folder. It is totally this thing. But again, I had informed a student earlier also, bhaiya, please check your spam folder. I recently discovered that my TCS admit card may were delivered to my spam folder. So already I am making videos so that you will be aware. But you guys see, when we miss something, when we do some mistake, then only we realize I should have watched the video earlier, because nobody watches the complete video at all. So that is one mistake from a student as well. Okay, see, but a student is not matured, right? So we are in 3rd year, 4th year. But being a multinational company, okay, being a multinational company where you are conducting the exams from year, you should definitely know what are the mistakes a student can do and how to tackle this kind of problem. So one Kritika Thakur is telling, very good profile picture. So guys, keep checking for your admit card from the link provided in the video's description. Some of my friends, including me, have our exam tomorrow, but still have not got the mail. So bhaiya, mail ko chodo, mail gaya tel lene. If you are able to download your admit card, please go and write the exam. That's what I feel. Okay, that is my personal feeling. Anyway, we will come to know today where I have asked some of the students to go and write the examination. Hi ma'am, I am currently a 4th year student from Kolkata who will appear for the TCS Nqt exam, Kolkata Center. I have not received any mail regarding when will be my exam from TCS, but when I am logging into the portal using my registration ID and password, my admit card is available and it is showing that today is my exam date, and morning that guy sent, I said go and write the exam. That's all. Very simple. It's very urgent situation. If kindly you may help me. Okay, so what I'm supposed to do now, as far as I know, TCS always send email regarding the exam date, but I have not received any date. I have checked my spam folder also. See, this is Gmail, right? So what happens many times, so the email might not reach to you. Okay, so because they will be sending in bulk, so that email might not reach to you. They should have some mechanism on their portal. They should have some mechanism on their TCS Nqt step portal where you could see like, okay, download your admit card or some kind of notification, something they should do. But instead of that, there are many students who are facing this problem, and I'm not happy at all with the TCS. Even I'm not happy, I cannot do anything with TCS, but at least I will raise my voice. If you want to support, you support. If you don't want to support, you don't support. But whatever mistake has happened, whatever things are going on, it should not be repeated. Now, as a student, what you have to do? So from next time when I make a video, see, first of all, subscribe to the channel, yaar. See, later on after TCS exam, you unsubscribe. I don't care. But now, please, don't miss the examination, yaar. For this TCS exam, I know from how many months you are waiting. So if you want to unsubscribe, you subscribe, you block me, you do whatever you want. I really don't care. But right now I care about you. And very simple thing. So once I make a video that, okay, next exam date is this, then the first thing what you will do, daily 2 times, you check this particular link, admit card link. Okay, that admit card link will be there in all my video description. That much I am doing. More than that, I don't know what to do. So admit card link will be there in my description. From there, please download your admit card if it is available. If it is not available, we will wait for the another next date, because these exams will be happening in phases. Okay, second thing, friends, please check your spam folder. Okay, please check your spam folder, because all your effort should not go in vain. So please do this 2 things. It's my request to all of you, and my request to TCS, please provide some solution, or please work on the way you are conducting the examination. Even TPOs are also not aware of this. They are also confused that what should they do. And many people said that 19th of March, yesterday night, TPO is telling download your admit card and go and write the examination. Are bhaiya chal kya raha hai? Chal kya raha hai? So whatever they want, things are happening in that way. And who is suffering at all? Only one person is suffering, that student community. Only one community is suffering, the student community. And I will raise my voice for TCS that please work on this solution. Otherwise, this will be treated as a scam only, where the students are not able to write the exam. That's very clear. They have put a lot of effort. Please understand that nobody thinks from the student point of view. That's all. Nothing much I wanted to tell you. Okay. So this is the few screenshots where I have taken from this too has been taken from our YouTube comments, and this I have taken from our app messages. Okay, and this is the admit card which you can see. So this is the genuine admit card. There is no doubt at all. Okay, everyone will be getting the admit card in the same way. Again, one of the WhatsApp messages which we received today, and I said go write the exam. Okay, and next is this admit card. You have to check in your spam folders. Please do these 3 things from the student point of view, because nobody will come to save you. You are the only savior of yourself. That's all. Simple, very simple. So you only have to do things. And one request I am telling you, you unsubscribe my YouTube channel, unfollow, block me, whatever you want to do, you do after the TCS exam. Till your TCS examination, either for the result, for the interview, each and everything, please follow. Because more than you, I am worried about you. That's all. I don't want to stretch the video. I hope it was helpful, and I will please do like, do share, and I will be keep supporting you till I can. Thank you.